So is your student good at building, tinkering things, or interested in how robots work? Then USEL Sumo Bots program is a great program for them. It's designed as an entry into robotics. So the robot kit that they get is a USEL Sumo Bot kit. It's really easy to build, but it's really difficult to master. So students build and code this robot fairly simply, but once they start battling against their fellow classmates and other robots, they're going to spend a lot of time improving their design and improving their coding in order to try to be successful in battle. This is a great skill that we really like to emphasize with our students because that's how engineers are. They're always getting products or finding things that are already made and trying to make them better. And that's a very valuable skill for students to start learning at a young age. So scroll down below, find a class that fits for your student, and get them enrolled in a class today. They'll love it, you'll love it, and we hope to meet your students soon.